Hello, today I'm going to show you how you can delete your previously liked videos on the YouTube app. So let's go ahead and open up the YouTube app here. And what we want to select is down here in the bottom right hand corner. We want to go to Library. And then in Library, we'll see this section right here. It says Playlist, but we'll see that we also have this area called Liked Videos. I can go ahead and tap on Liked Videos. In here, I can see all of the videos that I have liked on this account. And if I want to delete one of these from my likes, I can go ahead and select the three dots. And then it gives us the option right down here to remove from liked videos. So I can go ahead and select this. And now we'll see that I only have 4 liked videos. And you can do this pretty much with any single one of these and totally clear it pretty much all at once. Hopefully this video helped you out, and if it did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.